What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me and YouTube know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling up to it, please subscribe. Alright, let's see what I got for my Ipsy Plus for my birthday month. I was not very excited about my traditional Ipsy Glam bag, so hopefully this can make up for it. Ooh, I definitely like this bag much better. So the theme for this month is Stay Golden. Alright, so let's see what I got in here. So the first thing I see is this, is it Bassy Beauty Bronzy AF bronzer palette. So there's, looks like there's 3 different shades in here. Let's see. Okay, here's what it looks like. Oh, okay. That's really cool. You got 3 different bronzers, like different undertones. I would definitely use this as like a contouring. This would probably be my main bronzer, but so we have Snatcherall, Cinnamon, and Bad and Bronzy. Those are cute names. Okay, I actually really like that, even though I have not heard of this brand before. Okay, next we have, I never say this right, because I don't know how to say it, Orgia Malibu Sunrise Ombre Blusher. Ooh, for a second I thought it was an eyeshadow quad and I was going to be a little upset, but wow, that's really pretty. So does this have a shade name? I guess Malibu Sunrise is the shade name. So it goes from like an orangish peach kind of to a coral. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna do, oh, that's really creamy too. Here's the bottom. Here's up top. And then let me combine that. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm actually really gonna like that. I'm so excited about that. So far, it's a lot better than my regular glam bag. Alright, next we have, ooh, these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So there are 6 pairs in here. Individually packaged gold foil eye masks to help brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing a maximum amount of serum to penetrate skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to skin, and the third is a cellulose fiber that condenses and delivers key ingredients efficiently. Okay. I have tried these before, and I really do like them. It's awesome that I got 6 of them. Alright, next is this Dr. Eve R Youth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. Okay, I have not heard of this brand before. This is 1.7 ounces. And I do have a couple night moisturizers already. I have a Murad one that I really like. So I'll probably be putting this in a giveaway. And the last product is this Dr. Brandt Pore No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. I actually just finished my bottle of this. I got it, I must have gotten it in a BoxyCharm, but yeah, I used it all completely. I really like this cleanser. It's a nice, lightweight cleanser. So it says it's for oiling combination skin. You get 3.5 ounces in here, but it is a very nice cleanser. So that is my Ipsy Plus, and I am super impressed. The only thing that I'm not really excited about is this night moisturizer, but everything else is awesome. I'm really happy with my Ipsy Plus. If you guys get Ipsy Plus, let me know some of the things you got in your bag down below in the comments. I'm so excited to try this blush. I kind of want to put some on now. Let's just try a little bit. That's really pigmented too. Wow. I was not expecting that, but it is gorgeous. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Bye.